I hope you're aware that you can utilize automated tools for smart investment decisions, and why you need to have these tools in your trading arsenal. We all know that the key to successful trading and investing is making informed decisions. However, with the ever-evolving stock market and the abundance of investment options available, it can be quite tricky to stay on top of everything and make smart decisions. That's where having automated tools, like stock trading apps, come into play. These tools can help you make informed decisions, save time, and maximize your profits. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Why automated tools are important for trading. As a trader, you need to be able to make informed decisions quickly. Automated trading tools help you do that by providing real-time market data, analysis, and alerts. You can use these tools to track trends, volatility, and risk levels, so you're always ahead of the game. Features of stock trading software that help you make smart investment decisions. Stock trading software provides a range of features that help you make smarter investment decisions. With advanced analysis, automated portfolio management, and backtesting capabilities, you can gain a deeper understanding of stock trends and patterns. This allows you to stay ahead of the curve and make faster, well-informed decisions. The convenience of online stock trading platforms. Online stock trading platforms offer a range of tools and features that make trading and investing easy. With just a few clicks, you can open and close trades, track your portfolio, and gain access to real-time market data. Plus, with leverage, stop loss and take profit features, you can manage your risks and maximize your profits. Automation in trading, is it good or bad? Some traders are skeptical of automated trading, but it can be a powerful tool when used correctly. Automated trading allows you to stay disciplined and avoid emotional trading decisions. Plus, by backtesting your strategies using historical data, you can gain a deeper understanding of what works and what doesn't. By subscribing to our newsletter, you will receive regular updates, exclusive investment insights, expert interviews, and in-depth analysis of different investment options. Our newsletter is curated by top industry professionals and is designed to help you stay up to date in the investment world. You will receive actionable advice that will help you make informed decisions and take advantage of various opportunities.